Here, now I'm in class. I'm sleeping now. Bye. Ibi, you cannot sleep in class. Ibi, why are you sleeping in class? Go! Wash your face. Okay. Whatever. Oh, you come, bestie. Ibi, what are you doing in washroom? I was sleeping. Oh, oh, I forgot that it's time for go to home now. What? You sleep in class, Ibi? If you are lazy in class. Yay!